Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify account and start your free trial using the Shopify app. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any steps. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download and open the Shopify app first. You need to download the Shopify app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 2. Start the sign-up process. After opening the app, tap on Get Started. Shopify will ask you some basic questions related to your business. Read the options carefully, select the most relevant answers, and then tap Next. I'll be skipping these questions for now, but make sure to fill them out correctly as they help personalize your Shopify experience. Step 3. Create or log into your account. Now you will be redirected to the account creation page. You have the option to sign up using your email or Google account. For this tutorial, I'll be creating my account using Google, as it's a faster and easier method. After selecting Sign Up with Google, tap on Confirm. Step 4. Wait for Shopify to set up your store. Shopify will now start creating your account. Wait a few moments, and once the process is complete, your Shopify account will be successfully created. Final words. That's it for today's video. I hope you now understand how to create a Shopify account and start your free trial. It's a simple and hassle-free process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll definitely reply or even create a video on your topic. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.